Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Ali Khwaja and Brothers World. As you know, this is the Naltar Valley. This is the ski area, but no snow right now. Naltar Valley is one of the most beautiful mountainous valleys in Gilgit, Baltistan. And this is my best life experience so far. I'm near the mountains of snow there. Yeah! We go down from here. We won't get able to be stopped. Here, international level ski competitions are held in winters. Along with other winter sports, including ice hockey, are also played. You can see ice hockey ring. Now we are heading towards the snow up there. Naltar Valley has two villages, Naltar Bala Upper Village, Naltar Pine Lower Village. It is all-weather destination famous for being a tourist attraction for both in summers and winters. The Naltar Valley is situated about 34 kilometers from the city of Gilgit in Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. It is the best place to visit for those who go in summers. It has lush green landscapes, everyone describing it as a true paradise. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.